I needed to ship a display and sample parts to a trade show, so I needed to make a crate. Most of the parts would be packaged in small containers and bins, so the crate needed open space for the containers. I had some parts that were too big for the bins and were relatively flat, so I designed the crate to have some storage in the top and bottom of the crate. I made this crate so it could be moved from either side for easier handling. I started out by making the pallet and then built the crate on top of that. I used construction adhesive when assembling and screwing together the pallet and the walls of the crate for added strength and durability. I didn't glue the walls to each other because I designed it so that the top can be removed and the walls of the crate can be removed and put back together when loading and unloading the contents of the crate. Thanks for watching, have a good one, and take it easy.